Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 7th August 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened lower and traded sideways for most of the trading session before closing lower by 0.27% or 65.35 points at 24,570.65. The correction seen today was due to rise in crude oil prices, profit booking, and weak global cues. The sectors traded mixed, financial services emerging as the worst performer, whereas auto and IT ended up being the best performers. Volatility for the index dipped slightly. Levels may be kept the same as what we mentioned today morning, with supports being at 24,525 followed by 24,425, while resistances may be placed at 24,610 followed by 24,710. For Monday, we may expect Nifty to keep trading sideways within the current range, provided we do not witness an excessive rise in crude oil prices over the weekend. In case of a drop in crude oil prices accompanied by a rise in global indices, a positive bias may be expected to dominate proceedings. Do check out our pre-market report on Monday morning for updated levels and expectations. The NSE index may become more bullish above 24,990, while a break below 24,135 could cause the index to tumble to lower levels. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex fared worse than Nifty as it fell by 0.58% or approximately 456 points to close at approximately 78,499. Levels for Sensex may be adjusted downwards with supports now being at 78,500, followed by 78,215, while resistances may be placed at 78,800, followed by 79,135. Sensex may be expected to become bullish above 79,370, while bearishness may dominate if the index falls below 77,185. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices opened higher and has been trading sideways today as it stabilizes at slightly higher levels. Iran's announcement stating that they would ban all US and Israel ships traveling through the Strait of Hormuz once again stoked the fires of uncertainty that sent prices up. Volatility for the commodity spiked sharply. Levels for crude oil may be moved upwards following the recent gains, with supports being at 7,300, followed by 7,125, while resistances may be moved to 7,500, followed by 7,660. For today, crude prices may be expected to keep trading sideways unless there are further escalations in the Middle East. Iran's new announcement sent probability of a peace deal in the near term tumbling, which has in turn heightened supply concerns, thereby supporting a recovery to higher levels. Traders may go for a buy the dip approach with strict stop losses while keeping an eye on updates from the West Asia conflict. The energy counter may witness positive momentum above 7,815, while a break below 6,775 could strengthen negative momentum. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. State Bank of India reported a strong Q1 FY27 performance, with standalone net profit rising 10% year-on-year to 21,121 crore rupees, compared with 19,160 crore rupees a year ago. Total income also increased to 1.43 lakh crore rupees, supporting positive investor sentiment and lifting the stock by around 3.5%. Hero MotoCorp reported a 16.9% year-on-year decline in Q1 FY27. Consolidated net profit to 1,417.93 crore rupees compared with 1,705.65 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter last year. The decline in profitability will keep investor focus on the company's margins and operating performance. Lupin posted a strong Q1 FY27 performance, with consolidated net profit rising 16% year-on-year to 1,417 crore rupees compared with 1,221.46 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter. The growth was supported by strong performance across its business, keeping the pharmaceutical major in focus. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinar will be conducted over the weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amul Chape will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Options Trading Accuracy using PCR and VWAP together for high probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic exclusive masterclass, understanding option pricing, market maker psychology, and why option premium moves against you. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.